George.
哦，等一下，wait a minute。
George.
你跟他换。
Pardon.
You're natural.
I'm a natural. Yes.
你演的 Lenny 就是 natural
这个不好跳啊，这个不好跳哪去？你知道吗？
Really? I'm the new 250. Amazing.
Okay, let's go ahead. Let's start, guys. Go ahead.
Lenny, I have told you we are $200 short this month. We can't keep running a pet store if you are keep losing pets.
But George, I was just petting Mr. Fluff. He looks so soft and he's gone again.
Holy boys, heard you got some new pet here. My old dog just passed away and I need something to keep me company.
Oh, we got the rabbits. They are my favorite.
Lenny, that's not how you hold.
Wow, this is the livest things I see all week.
I need something exotic, talking parrot, hairless cat, and something that could make the ladies in the bridge club jealous.
Ma'am, we mostly sell normal pets.
We got the real special lizard. Oh, he was here yesterday. Oh, I should go to PetSmart.
Wow, maybe I think I need and a pet at all. Maybe I need a hobby.
Candy, I will give you $20. Please take him out.
No, George. I want to tend the rabbit.
We do not have rabbits. We barely have stores.
Oh, that might be the snake tank. Ah, you are snake.
Wow, this is the more excitement than I see in all year.
Here, little fella. Where are you? Where are you? Oh, you are here, little fella. See? How cute is he?
Wow, this is so cute.
And that's why we shouldn't have a pet store. Maybe we're gonna set a rock pet store, and that's it.